Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am filming my skincare routine today. Lately, I have just been really feeling my skin. I'd say for like the past year or so, I've just been loving my skin. I've been enjoying not wearing as much makeup. I've cleared up some of my dark spots. My skin doesn't get as oily as it used to. I've just been really into skin, so I'm just going to share my skincare routine with you guys. So it currently is the morning time. I am makeup free, and the first step is to obviously cleanse your skin. So the cleanser that I have been using is this one from Neutrogena. This is the Fresh Foaming Cleanser. Very affordable, gets the job done, cleans the skin well, and I just stick to like something simple when it comes to the cleanser. So this is the cleanser that I use. With my cleanser, I like to use a spin brush just to get a deeper clean, and it's also just really relaxing. It feels nice. Just kind of, elevates your skincare routine. This is the spin brush that I have been using. It's from Duval. They did give this to me, and it comes with 4 different brushes. So this one is a cleansing brush. They also have an exfoliating, a body, and a pumice stone brush. So you can pick and choose which brush you would like to use depending on your mood. Really been enjoying this. It makes sure that you are cleaning your skin properly, especially after you have on a full face of makeup. You just want to really make sure that you're actually cleansing your skin. So this helps with that, and it's also just like very therapeutic and really nice. So I just wet my face a little bit, and I'm just gonna take a pump of my Neutrogena foaming cleanser. Honestly, so relaxing, and it just makes you want to clean your skin for a longer amount of time. Because I know sometimes when you are using your hands, you rush through it, but with this, you just want to sit here and just vibe out. Love how relaxing this feels. Love that you get a deeper clean. It helps exfoliate, which is also great if you have hyperpigmentation, which I do. So I really like to kind of concentrate it on those darker spots. I do have a discount code, so I will leave that on the screen, also down below. If you're interested in this brush, you can use my code and get 70% off, which will bring the spin brush down to $28.50. So if you're interested, take advantage of the code and get you a spin brush. Elevate your skincare routine and get you a spin brush. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the cleanser. It kind of dries down, but I'm going to rinse it. I really like using these disposable facial wipes. This is from Amazon. It's from the brand Carebori. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is how it looks. It comes in packs of, I believe there were 80 in here. Yes, 80 wipes. And I have my backup right here. So this is a better look at the facial wipes, but they're disposable. I prefer to use the disposable wipes over like facial cloths, just because obviously you use these once and you throw them away, and so you don't have to worry about like constantly washing your face cloths and just bacteria and like random things on your washcloth. I don't know, I'm worried about washcloths on my face. So I really like these facial disposable wipes. I'll leave a link to these down below in case you're interested, but I just went ahead and wet this. So this is what one that is wet looks like versus one that is dry. So this one is wet, and I just take it and I rinse my face. Now, another cool thing about these, you actually can rinse this and dry it and reuse it if you want, but I usually just use them once, throw them away, and then grab a new one. I really love these, so I always repurchase these from Amazon. So again, I'll link them just in case you want you a disposable face wipe. So after I cleanse my skin, I go in with the toner. The toner that I've been using is this one from Ulla Henriksen. Obviously, I really love this because like she's empty. I don't know if you can tell in the lighting, but like there's nothing left in here. I have like one more use out of this. So this is the dark spot toner. It's supposed to help you lighten your dark spots over time. You can check out the reviews and whatnot on Sephora. I really like it, and I feel like over time it has definitely helped with my dark spots. So the next product I like to use is a serum. This is from Ulla Henriksen. It's their Truth Serum. It has True C complex in it, which is great for brightening the skin, helps with fine lines, wrinkles, keeping your skin looking nice and youthful, which is what we want. So I make sure to use a serum morning and night, and I'm also running out of this. So these products have been around. This also smells really nice. It smells very citrusy. So that is my favorite serum. And then I go in with an eye cream. This is also from Ulla Henriksen. Baby, this is not sponsored. This is just what I've been using for a while and I've seen results, so we're just gonna keep it up. This eye cream, I feel, has really changed my under eye concealer game. When I do wear a full face of makeup and I do concealer underneath, I make sure I put this on first, because when I do, the creasing is like minimal, almost non-existent. So I definitely really like this eye cream. And then after that, I go in with Ulla Henriksen. This is their Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I prefer a gel-like moisturizer, and this one I just love because I really like the consistency. When I use it, I do feel like it gives me a healthy glow, and it's just also a part of their Truth line, which is great for brightening. And wow, this feels really nice. Try and get the neck. Don't forget your neck. So these three products I've been using for a minute now. They do have a kit that has all three of these products, so you can kind of test them out. They come in their miniature sizes, like the mini travel sizes, and I believe that is only $40 as opposed to buying all of these separately. If you wanted to test them out, I would recommend doing that. That's what I did first, and then I realized I really liked them, and so now I buy the full size. So the last steps in my skincare routine is my sunscreen and my lip balm. So the sunscreen that I have been loving is this Black Girl sunscreen. Love that for us. We have a sunscreen that was made with us in mind. So I just really like this. It has SPF 30. It says it's infused with jojoba and avocado. It's water resistant. It does go on white, but whenever you smooth it out, it's completely sheer. It is clear. We don't want to walk around with the white cast on our face, so this definitely goes and dries down clear. So I just really have been loving this. It's affordable. I got this at Target. I will also link this down below. SPF is a necessity. It's a must, especially when you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation. You go outside with no protection, with no SPF, you are only prolonging the amount of time that your dark spots fade. The sun is going to make them darker. So this is something that I have, as of recently, been like making sure that I put on my face. So sunscreen is a must. if you have melanin, check out the Black Girl sunscreen, because I mean, I just think it's really cool that we have a sunscreen that was made with us in mind. So I've been loving this. The last thing is lip balm. This one is from Laneige. I really like this lip balm. I'm also running out of this. So that is my current skincare routine. I will link all of the products down below. This is pretty much the exact same thing that I would do at night, except if I was wearing makeup, the first thing that I would do is take off my makeup using the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I really don't use makeup wipes anymore these days. I feel like they're a little bit too rough, and I just feel like something like this, like an oil or a balm, helps to remove your makeup better, like properly. So that is what I would do first at night, or whenever I have to take makeup off. Go in with this first and then just continue with all of the other steps. That is my current skincare routine. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything, just drop them down below. I'll leave all the information to the spin brush and all the other products that I mentioned in this video in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I'll see you guys in my next one.